Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cleanliness with our top 5 best for the best vacuums of 2024. These aren't just any vacuums, they're the epitome of innovation and efficiency. We've got some surprises in store that will redefine your cleaning experience. So, stay tuned till the end. You wouldn't want to miss the vacuum that has taken the market by storm. For more details and the latest pricing on the products, check the links in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful content. Now, let's get started without further ado. Number 5. The Tineco Floor 1S5 Pro 2. Number 4. The Samsung Jet 90 Cordless Stick Vacuum. Number 3. The Miele Complete C3 Marin. Number 2. The Dyson Gen5detect Absolute. Number 5. The Tineco Floor 1 S5 Pro 2.